Okay, so we want to put this quadratic equation, or this quadratic here, in the form of y equals parentheses x minus h squared plus k, which is standard form. So we're asked to put this in standard form, where h and k are actually our vertex. So that actually will be our vertex. And we do this by completing the square. So we're completing the square. So we take x squared minus 10x plus 21. And we're going to set it equal to 0. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my x squared and x by itself. So I'm going to have x squared minus 10x equals, and subtract 21 from both sides. So that's going to move our 21 over to the right side. And I left a little bit of space here for a reason, because in completing the square, what we do is we take half of this middle term. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and that's going to give me 5. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add that 5 here and square it. So we take the middle term divided by 2, which is 5, and then we square it. And of course, whatever I do on the left side, I also have to do on the right side. So I have x squared minus 10x plus 5 squared equals negative 21 plus 25. Now, I didn't square this 5 for a reason, because we're going to write this as the square of a binomial. And since, and we can do that since this is a perfect square trinomial, because x times x is x squared, 5 times 5, and that's what we have. 5 squared is 5 times 5. And then 5, if we do 5 times x, that's 5x, and we double it, we get 10. And since it's a negative 10, it would be x minus 5. And let me leave a little bit more space here, equals, and then negative 21 plus 25 is a positive 4. And then I'm going to go ahead and set this back equal to 0 by subtracting 4 from both sides. And so in standard form, we're looking at y equals x minus 5 squared minus 4.